How to resolve Instagram Notes feature not showing. Hi there, today we'll teach you how to fix if in case your Instagram Note feature does not show on your end. First, you need to open your Instagram account. When you open your Instagram account, you can go to your direct message. That's where you will see the note feature that's right above your profile, just like a thinking bubble, where you can post any message you want, or just a short message. And if in case it does not show on your end, we'll teach you how to fix this. First, you need to go to your profile. When you click on profile, go to menu, that's the three bars on the top right, and then go to settings. When you go to settings, it routes you to a page where you need to click on privacy. Once you hit on privacy, you need to go to activity status, that's right above messages. Make sure activity status is turned on, because in some cases, one of the reasons why the Instagram Note feature is not showing, it's because the activity status is not turned on yet. Once turned on, you just need to go back to your home page and then you click on direct messages, and for you to double check whether the Instagram feature is already working. If it's not, another option here, or your next step, will be to make sure that the app is up to date. You can do this by going to your App Store or Play Store, type in Instagram, and click on Update. Once you hit on Update, you just need to wait until it loads up. And once finished, you can reopen your app and then go to your direct message to double check whether it's showing already. And if it still does not show on your end, there's a need for you to report the issue, where you need to go to your settings and then click on help, that's below the word account. When you click on help, you click on report a problem. From there, you need to make sure that shake phone to report a problem is turned off. Once that's turned off, you just need to click on report a problem, and it routes you to a page where you need to click on include and continue. And then from there, you just need to type in the explanation on what's the issue you've been experiencing or what's the problem on your account. And then you just need to hit on send. And you just need to wait until everything is fixed and refresh your Instagram account from time to time. And that's about it. Thank you for watching.